tips for the perfect jab. First one is keep your jab out there. Your jab is your dog. It's sniffing out the danger. And that way you can snap it nice and quick. So keeping your jab hand out there, make sure you're testing your reactions, making sure you can bring it back to your face. But keeping it out there will shorten the time between when you want to throw it and when it hits your opponent's face. Now we're gonna work on an offensive defense, my absolute favorite. So we're gonna slip at the same time we throw the jab, thinking about a straight line through the middle of this bag. You're gonna slip your head off the line while you throw the jab. Let's try it. Use your jab hand to trace your opponent's face. That way you are on them. Your hand knows exactly where they are, so you can hit them where they are or where they're gonna be. If you love boxing and fitness as much as I do, please subscribe to my channel. My biggest goal is to reach my subscriber count. That way I can keep delivering this content to you for free. Thank you.